Live again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here the Trade New York session. Let's see how it's gonna be. Cool. Also, this week we should be done with the live stream. Notice the GFT app has been launched. That way, we can get an image plan that can fly this. Cool. Also, this week should be done with the live stream. Notice the GFT app has been launched. That way, we can get an image plan that can fly and get more sales. Okay, love, bye. See, Stefano. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Drop some fire on the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, we have something simple on our hands. We have something simple on our hands. Today, right now, we're looking at GBP USD. And GBP USD currently, nobody needs to tell you it is a downtrend. Nobody needs to tell you it's a downtrend. Let me get a better lightning. Nobody needs to tell you GBP USD is a downtrend. And again, nobody needs to tell you where you need to be looking out for your sales. Now, obviously, we can see right here GBP USD is downtrending as at this region. Right? Let me delete this and this. You can see the market right now hit our take profit and then it kept on going to the downside, but pulled back in. Now, I told you guys in London session that I want this guy to give me a break and retest underneath this zone. And then we sell. But then, if you look closely, we got the break, but it was a fake out. We got the break, but it was a fake out. It was a fake out. So what do we need here? What we need is the market to still respect what we have said from London session. Still respect what we have said from London session. Tell me, how many of you guys are on trade, on gold trade? How many of you guys are on gold trade? How many of you guys are on gold trades? Nobody. Now, but GBP USD trade is the next target. How and why? I will delete this stuff and I will explain. Look at this market right now. Look at this market. This market, despite this gap that we are seeing right there, despite the gap we are seeing right there, is not a problem. Why I say it's not a problem is the market has done the gap due to the advent of what's going on, but that doesn't mean that the market structure would not still be observed. At least to some point, it will be observed. At least to some point, it would be observed. And looking at the market right now, we can see that the market structure is being observed. Thereby, we can see closely, this is the 1 hour time frame. We have a high, we have another high right here. We have another low here. This is a low, a lower low, right? This is another lower low after this previous lower high. And then here we have a lower high. With that being said, what do we need to observe? What we're observing is this market is downtrending. But why and what should we do next? What should we do next? Remember, today is just Monday. What do we do next on this? What we do next is follow the structure. Lower low, lower high, lower equal lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. Even after the break, you still respect market structure, create a lower low, then a lower high. Now, because of the lower low, a lower high is inside of this zone, we are doing nothing until it comes down. We are doing nothing until it comes down. Look at how clean this structure looks. Until it comes down, we are doing nothing. And that is going to make me set my alarm here. And right here, break of zone. Anytime it breaks this zone, I'll be interested in the sales. Anytime it breaks this zone, I'll be interested in the sales. Seems like my alert is not loading up. It's taking time. One thing I know for sure is whenever a market wants to sell and then it starts seeing a pullback like that, just be patient. Don't try to start selling immediately or forcing the sales. You'll end up being stuck. You end up being stuck. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to write here break of zone. 1 week. Wait for a break and a retest, and then we go in. And then we go in. That's it. Now, Let's see BTC. I'm on a sell on BTC. I'm on a sell on BTC currently. As you can see, BTC is selling off. BTC is selling to the downside, which I'm expecting more sales than this. I'm expecting more sales than this. I entered from here. It went up, created new chart pattern, which is a tweezer top, and now we're dropping TP1, TP2, TP3. TP3 is a 1 to 6 RR, TP2 is 1 to 5, TP1 is 1 to 2. This is what we are currently looking like right now. This is what we're currently looking like right now. BTC, this is what we're currently looking like right now. It's just a matter of patience. It's just a matter of patience. If you chill out, it will happen. New candle out. Let's look at the time right now is 2:30. Let's look at Xauusd. Xauusd is going all the way to the moon. Just as I explained on the live. Guys, drop some fire on the chat. Just as I explained on the live early this morning. I told you guys, if we can come down into this region, I'm expecting a push. If we can come down into this region, I'm expecting the market to close, create my chart pattern. I should be buying up, set my stop loss below here. I'll set my stop loss below here. I set my stop loss below here, and you can see that my stop loss was exact. If you can see, my stop loss was exact. If I had not set the right stop loss, I would have been in loss. You can see this is what is going on right now on gold. This is what is going on right now on gold. It's good right now. I'll take profit one alert just got hit. As you can see, I'll take profit one alert just got hit. Take profit one alert just got hit on gold. We're up running. We're up and running on gold. Clean trade. Massive buys to the upside. Massive buys to the upside. VO gold sell. You're gonna get stopped out, bro. Don't do that. We're looking forward to buys and buys alone. We're looking forward to buys and buys alone. Buys alone. Buys alone. Early this morning, we already closed out. Early this morning, we already closed out. This is my Funding Pips account. Early this morning, we already closed out. All right. Early this morning. So don't play. Don't play. Don't play. The other one on this scene on GFT. On GFT, we are up 1K, but that is on what's the name? BTC trade, not on gold. BTC trade. Let's just patiently wait. Once we're done with everything, like you have to be ready to move smartly. Get accounts different. Let me see. If it is get better. I don't see. Okay. That you see something about this gold. He knows well enough how to really put people in their place and all. Let me set an alarm. There's a place I want to hit TP2 here. It's just a matter of time. There's a place I want to hit TP2 here. That should be around where this is one. That's about 275 pips times 2 is about 500 pips. So let's say around here. Around this region, I should be back on the chart to check it. Trade with prop firm, guys. Trade with prop firm. Pass the challenges. Get everything down. I blew my 3 GFT 5K this morning. Buy another account, guy. Buy another account. You don't. If you trade with only one prop firm, it's not bad. If you trade with two prop firms, it's not bad. Like I said, me personally, I have varieties of accounts. I have funding pips. This one right now, I'm showing you guys the funding pips account. The other one I showed you before is a GFT account. You can get GFT, you can get funding pips, you can get funding nest, good firms. All right, good firms, and you're good to go. Pass the challenge. You make good money. Everybody smile. So what am I looking for right now? Right here, TP2. No, yeah, TP2 because the TP1 has been hit. That's something about gold. It knows how to play with someone's emotions. Knows how to play with someone's emotions so well, but then panic not. You don't have to panic. I've already decided the amount of money I want to risk on this trade. I've already decided that. It's just a matter of stop me out or give me good profit. GBP USD, before I'll be interested, I'll need it to break below here. I need it to break below there. Why BTC is dropping as sent to the Telegram. I send the trade to the Telegram, as you can see right here, for BTC trade. For BTC trade sent to the Telegram. Here. You just have to be patient enough to see the trade and we're good to go. Put your eyes down for this type of opportunities. It's white background. So put your eyes down for this type of opportunities. Let's see what we can do. Telegram community link in description. Join the Telegram community. Let's see if we're going to sell massive or not. But with what I'm saying, according to what's going on in the country right now, in the news right now, I feel like crypto is going to sell. I don't know. I just feel like crypto is going to sell drastically. But for all these currency pairs, just a matter of time. For currency pairs, GBP USD, according to technicals, I'm looking forward to sales, break and retest. Then for for BTC USD, I'm also looking forward to sales as at this region. The market sold drastically from here. Once the market reduced from here, from this region there, you can see it. It sold down massively, creating a huge lower low as at 63,000. Right now, we're at 65,000. We entered this trade at 66,000. We're at 65,800. So we are expecting to take this market below about 300 pips downwards to 63,000 back. So about 300 pips to the downside is what we're expecting BTC USD. So I'm going to put it right here. BTC USD sells. Gold buys. GBP sales. All right. That's what I'm expecting. BTC USD sells, gold buys, and GBP USD sells only after break and retest. So with that being said, my bias is still bullish for gold. We're currently up 100 pips. Target is 1 to 3 weeks to reward. And according to the 4-hour time frame, there's a chance it's going to happen. According to the 4H, there is a chance it is going to happen. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. I'll keep my alert on this zone here. I just need some little money. I need some little money. A little push upwards and I'm good to go. Just hit this second alert. I think I'm going to call it a day for XAUSD. High USD, GBP USD pullback to, let me see, 134440. Let me see, 134400. 134400. Why should it pull back there? I don't think it's gonna get there because the market is downtrending and it has gotten to a level of resistance. So pulling back to that zone is pulling back to that area. Come on, there are level of resistance that are going to hold it. But then you just need to look forward to the market breaking and retesting. Do you understand? You just need the market to break and retest and you're good to go. I'm not expecting GBP USD to do any form of buy. And even if it does do the buy, I'm not going to be interested. Bex, did you stop trading other pairs? Basically, I trade only just 3 pairs. All right. I trade only 3 pairs, but there was a time I was trading so many pairs, which was not so good. But at the same time, it exposed me to what other pairs can do. And it made me realize that when you stick with little pairs, your focus increases. And when you stick with those little pairs, you become better off. So this time I decided to pick what kind of pair will I be trading. Basically, I used to tell you guys trade at least 1 to 3 pairs and you should be good. So I decided to take more risk. Remember, I don't trade gold, but I decided to learn it. I wouldn't like something, and then because I don't know how to do it, I'll just be saying I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Go and try and know how to do it. And then I learned how to trade gold. Yeah, and I added BTC to it, but I did not forget my guy GBP USD. So basically, I stopped trading every other currency pairs. I picked only one currency pair, one extreme volatile pair, and one crypto pair. Does it make sense? That's basically what I did. But then GBP USD is still my guy. How many trades have you called on GBP USD on this live stream? This one, let me look at them because I can even see them clearly. Number one is right here. We have number two right here. Got stopped out. Got stopped out here. I wanted to enter this trade, but it was quite too fast, or would I say too early? But then we called a sell for us here in New York session, which we said if the sell wanted to go down, we wouldn't trade it because I was expecting more of like a break and a retest here for a downward move. So basically, what I was saying is I didn't trade that one, but I traded this one, set my stops here, 20 pips stop loss, and my overall target here. So, how many trades in total, and what's our win? This one, two, three. We didn't trade this one. It could have been a four, but out of three, we won two, and we stop loss one, which is this one right here, and it's the same zone that I sold, and I still sold this one. So you just have to follow your system at the end of the day. Two out of three trades, and even the two that I won is a 1 to 5 RR, and this one 1 to 3, which is a great risk to reward. You know, I trade only I trade only currency. I trade only what's the name 1 to 3 risk to reward. But when I see that it is quite clear, I grow the mindset to just hold it out. And that's literally what gave me about 1.5 today, early this morning. So guys, my eyes is on GBP BTC, and gold. And everything is pretty much going in good profit. You can see BTC already. BTC right now is about 450. You can see right now, this is BTC trade, and we are up how much? About 453. So that's what it looks like on BTC. The sales is insane. The entry is top notch. Look at the entry right here. We are bleeding down already. So it's just a matter of patience and riding it down. We're doing it live. We're trading it live, showing you how possible it is. And we've basically been on a good wins. One question: can you use a copy trader on GFT account? You have to make that research by yourself. I don't use copy trader, so I don't really know. We want flipping video pegs. I don't usually flip, so for now, I can't guarantee that. Instead of flipping, just buy a funded account. Like, if you want to become profitable, you have to understand that flipping will flip you to hell. It will make your confidence to be shattered. Get a funded account. You don't know what it feels like to use a $5,000 account. You don't know what it feels like to actually. It takes time for you to like realize that the market is like. Whenever I try to flip, whenever I try to flip, I tend to lose. Like, I tend to lose. But whenever I'm trading with my funded account, like as we speak right now, I'm also even trying to work on getting bigger accounts, guy. Like, you need to just understand, like, flipping is great, is good, but to be a professional at this stuff, you need a lot of trials. You cannot use one trade to define if you're good or not. And what if that trade goes haywire? Your confidence is shattered. But if you try the first time, you lose, no problem. You try the second time, you win, you'll be happy. I've traded with prop firm accounts that I lose one, two, three times, and I use the fourth one, boom, I'm up. Yeah, that's how it happens. But how courageous would you be if you have let's say $500, and then you fund $100, $100, $100, $100 like that, and then you trade one, two, three, $100, $300 is gone, and then $400 you make 1 to 2 weeks to reward. You're up $200, right? But if you had used that $500 to buy a 100K account, in fact, the $500 is too much. Use 300 plus, buy a GFT 100K account. Your first trade, if you lose it, you're losing 1%. That is 1K down, 2% down, 3% down. But when you risk $1,000, you're going to be up 2%. That way now you're risking someone else's money and not your own. Going broke in Forex is like a choice. It's a choice, literally. Mostly when you have the skill set. Going broke is a choice. If you start following your system, okay, see what somebody is saying. Been a while you hit SL, boss. Did you notice that? I did not notice because I just following my system. Funny enough, I'm just following my system. Because if you look at it, I've not traded. See, I traded only here, traded here, and all these trades, guys, go and watch my live session back. We took all of them together. Go and watch my live session back. We took all of them together. This one I could remember vividly. You can see it's September 25. I was live. You can see this one right here. We took this BTC sell together where I told you guys that the market reversed back up. I think this was last week, Friday or something. Yes, reversed back up and then hit my TP. This one, I didn't enter it because I told you guys that the market is not equal to 1 to 2 weeks to reward, only for the market to dump so hard. It was under here, it dropped here. So there's a chance that because it was under here, it dropped massively to this point. I did not really realize that this is a low. This is the lows. And I could have just TP1 here. What I would have done was set TP1 here and then TP2 here, TP3 here. But then you see it, I missed the point. Now we traded this market together. Remember, the market sold drastically. I did not trade here because it was on a Saturday. What am I doing on Saturday trading the market for? And now we are up here. I was not interested in buying gold because I believe with what is happening in the country right now, I don't think we're going to be buying gold. Sorry, I don't think we're going to be buying BTC USD. And I let it be. Lo and behold, you can see what's happening now. My TP1 is about to be hit on BTC USD. You can see it right here. My TP1 is about to be hit right now on BTC. Whenever I enter BTC trade, there's nothing like break even here. I risk the amount I want to lose. I risk the amount I want to lose. It's that simple. See how drastic. See, you can see market movement now, guys. You can see market movement. W blues in the chart, guys. W blues in the chart. You can see market movement. When you have a calm mind, you literally know what you're doing and then you keep it going. This is BTC right now, dropping massively all the way to the downside. I sent out the trade to the Telegram, which if you're not in the Telegram community, you're missing a lot. I sent it out right here on the Telegram and I said, BTC sell, bearish. You can see it, good for sales now. And that is the entry and this is the result. We're bleeding. We're bleeding, guys. You can see how drastic it is going. W blues in the chart, guys. W blues in the chart. It is simple, guys. It is simple. If you follow your system, you know what you're doing. If you follow your system, you know what you're doing. Like, you don't have to stress it too much. You don't have to stress it too much. This is BTC, right? You don't have to stress it. Now, how much are we up here? See, currently now, you can see how much we're up. You can see it here. Remember before we were up 200 plus, 300 plus, now we're up 600. It's easy stuff. It's easy, bro. It's easy. You can see it right now live. right here, see us down. Right here, see us down. This is BTC. This is BTC. So it's just a matter of patience and we're good to go. Get your account with GFT. There is a huge chance, there's a huge upside. Get your account with GFT and trade with me live. Now, what we're going to be doing this match is, of course, we are looking forward to helping lots of traders get funded. We're also making it a one-on-one mentorship. This way, you can learn directly from me. And of course, I'll teach you my 6-figure funding plan. This is the plan that I use to bag funded accounts, pass accounts, and of course, hit TPs. So if you know you're looking forward to getting your own payouts, you know what to do. There's going to be a WhatsApp number right on your screen right now. Let me pop out the number. Reach out to them on WhatsApp. Join the one-on-one mentorship to get funded. My goal is to help you achieve your funding dreams, and that is going to be a possibility. Look at what we are up right now. We're still here. You can see it here. This is live market. As you can see, we're trading it straight up. This number on your screen is WhatsApp number. Chat us and then join the one-on-one. There's only 9 slots left and you can join us. Let's get it. 10 people on board. I'll teach you how I do it and you get your own account. We trade. Get your account with GFT. Come prepared. Advice, it is not for beginners. Come prepared, which means get your own funded account ready, because in the course of learning, you're going to pass your account. I'm going to show you the way how I do it, and you are going to get it done. The discount right now is $199. The current price is $249, but now you get it for $199. It's a private mentorship, and we go in straight up. So, what are we looking out for on gold? Gold is currently going downwards. Like I really do not like this consolidation, blah blah blah. I really do not like this consolidation, but what can I say? What can I say? You know, if this alert TP2 hits, I'm out of gold. If the TP2 hits, I am out of gold. Okay, with that being said, patience is key. I'll keep you guys posted. Join the Telegram community link in description. Reach out to the WhatsApp and join the one-on-one mentorship. Let us trade, make it out, and make good bag. Peace.